Hi, this is season 3 of Raga Chords. My name is Karthik Sekran and today we'll talk about Keeravani. Welcome to my channel. This is your one-stop solution for everything to do with Indian fusion music. So make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button and switch on all notifications so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. Let's go. So Keeravani, also known as Kirwani in Hindustani music, is a raga which is common to both Hindustani and Carnatic music systems. Now according to Hindustani music, it cannot be classified into any of the 10 thats. However, in Carnatic music, Keeravani exists itself as a Melakarta, as a parent raga. According to Western music, it is known as the harmonic minor scale. We've already done the natural minor scale or the minor scale. You can check that out here. So how is this harmonic minor or Keeravani or Kirwani different from the minor scale? There's just one difference, the knee. Whereas a minor scale uses a flat knee, Keeravani or a harmonic minor will use a regular knee. In terms of Hindustani music, it's the Shuddha knee. In terms of Carnatic music, it's the Kakli Nishadam. So let's check out the Aarohana and Avarohana. The Aarohanam is Sa Re Ga, same as the minor scale. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. The Avarohanam is Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. So let's check out the chords for this raga. So Keeravani, I am going to be in the key of C as usual. It's the harmonic minor scale, which means you take the minor scale, which is, and this knee becomes this knee, okay? Right? Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da ba ma ga re sa. Okay? Let's make triad out of these. So we have a C minor, D diminished, just like the minor scale. Now the natural minor will have this E flat major, but this key is not there in Keeravani, but this key is there. So if you play these three, that's an E flat augmented chord. You take a major chord and if you sharpen the fifth, that's an augmented chord. Okay? Augmented chords have their purpose, of course. They resolve well into say the Sa in this case. It resolves very nicely into this C minor. This is also C minor, but it's a first inversion. The third, the flat third is in the bass position, right? So it's the first inversion of C minor. This is the root position of C minor. This is the first inversion of C minor. This is the second inversion of C minor. Okay, so you see the E flat augmented resolves very nicely into a C minor. Okay, then we have F minor, G major because this knee is there, and then we go A flat major and then a B diminished. So these are the chords in Keeravani. Apart from that, you have the sus variations which you can figure out, a C sus2, a C sus4, an F sus2 and so on. Let's talk about film songs. An old Bollywood song comes to mind. Ka karoon sajni aahe na balam, ka karoon sajni aahe na balam, na na na. Oh, that was a major. Ta na 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 na, ta ra ra na na na, ta ra ra na na ra. Old Bollywood, brilliant song. Ilayaraja has plenty of songs. Yennai thalata varvalo, tara na 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 ra na ra. Yennai thalata varvalo. Older songs. Malliyappu taratana re taratara 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 re. All that is Keeravani. A.R. Rahman song, iconic song. Na 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 na. Kehna Hi Kya or Kannalane, right? From Bombay. Na 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 and so on. It takes a different route later on and changes into a different raga and comes back, but yes, predominantly Keeravani. So let's do simple improv. Let's come up with a basic chord progression. C minor, G major, first inversion, A flat major, F minor, nice, back to A flat major, G minor, G major, sorry, root position back to the C minor, nice. That sounds nice. Let's go. E flat augmented. So that was Keeravani. It's an interesting raga. There are some really iconic songs in this raga as well. If you like this information, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and switch on all notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Keeravani sounds a little dramatic and has a weird melancholy to it. It's a great raga to play with. The chords are pretty straightforward. Yes, there are a couple of diminished chords and there's an augmented chord in there. But if you know how to use them, you will come up with very interesting compositions in a raga like Keeravani. I hope you found this information useful. As always, make sure you experiment with music because that's where the real fun is. I'll see you in the next episode.